Hi guys, I'm Patrick and this is Social Dining. Today I'm gonna make some pizza bread and I'm gonna make it myself and I'm gonna bake the bread myself. You guys probably think, oh no, it's too difficult, but you know what? It's not. It's actually a really simple recipe. You need some yeast, some water, some flour, some sugar, and then you have everything you need. So I'm gonna start with some flour here. It's like, how much it is? It's like 50 grams and I just need half of that for this dough. And I'm not very like, what you say, like very, you know, I just do what I want and then see what comes out of it. You don't have to be very precise with the recipe. You will feel it in your hands. You will learn it over time, I guess. And then the salt here. I take 1 spoonful of that. And some sugar. Also 1 spoonful of that. And then we have 5 deciliters of water. Ta-da! It's like room temperature. And then you mix this together. And then afterwards, you put flour in it. And this is like, yeah, I will use this one instead. Much easier. So you basically need like 10 deciliters. And the tip here, you know, if you have like something which is like almost empty, you do this, because then there will not be any flour. Like, you mean like there will be flour, but not over the whole kitchen. So this is smart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. And then I open the new bag here. 9 and 10. And you know, when you get here, many of you are like, oh no, we need a huge machine for this, but you don't. See, a spoon. It's very simple. You guys are just lazy. Or, I don't know. I'm not judging. And don't be shy here, you know. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. I will actually just put my hands in here. And you can actually feel the texture on the dough. And this has actually got the perfect texture. You know, when it's not sticky. You know, when it's not like stuck to your hands. And now actually, this is actually a perfect dough. So yeah, see, that was actually really simple. And now, I just have to wait 1 hour. And then I will let it grow. So I will see you guys in 1 hour.